Reading enjoyed their best ever campaign in 2027-28. They took the Premier League title race to the very final day, eventually missing out on the trophy by a single point. But their second place finish did mean that they qualified for the Champions League for the first time in their history. They also managed to win their first ever FA Cup as they saw off Leeds United at Wembley. Ahead of the new campaign, One Giant Pixel had two options: to continue with the players that had brought him so much success, or gamble on overhauling the squad. Having been handed a transfer kitty of more than £70 million, the gaffer chose to twist, not stick.